Hey Capricorn, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Capricorn, first half. Oh my God, Capricorn, give me a second. I gotta get this together. Oh my God, what is happening? Capricorn, I'm so sorry. Hold on a second. Told y'all, if my shuffling, like, if it doesn't feel right, like, I can't do it. Okay. One more time. Let's see. All right. We're good. So let's see what's going on. Yeah, I don't know what was happening with those cards. It was a little tough trying to shuffle. Okay, so bottom of the deck, you guys have the Six of Wands. So it looks like you guys are moving in the direction to have some type of victory here. Let's see what's going on. There's a victory with Capricorn. All right. Page of Swords. All right. Y'all watching somebody who's spying? Are y'all spying on somebody? Y'all keeping a close eye? Or somebody keeping a close eye on y'all because maybe y'all walked away? Okay. I see how this reading is about to play out already. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Okay. So, somebody's keeping a close eye on the other individual because there was a third-party situation going on. I told you, I knew this was going somewhere. Alright, so, somebody could be dealing with an earth... oh, I got tongue-tied. An earth sign, another Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo here. I do feel like at this point, Capricorn, y'all know this is a general reading. Let me just say it real quick before we keep going. This is a general reading, so it may not resonate for you, and guys, it could go vice versa, so just take it however it fits your situation. But Capricorn, honestly, for some of you guys, I feel like you were the one done wrong. And at this point, you guys aren't worried about the other individual. So I feel like they're keeping a close eye on you because they put you in this third-party situation. And at this time, you guys are like, you know what? I'm tired. I'm just focusing on me, myself, and I'm just, about to just do me, work on my finances because that's my focus right now. But at the end of the day, this person wants a happy home with you. They want this happy life. They want it all. Everything but socks and drawers. Okay, y'all, I had to say it. I'm so sorry. I had to go there. I had to. But anyway, so I feel like, you guys are looking at this person like, okay, you left me out in the cold, but I'm coming out of this energy. So this is telling me that you guys have been working on yourself. You guys have been healing. And there's the High Priestess. Like, at this point, you guys are using your intuition. This person cannot just come back like they, would if they would mess up or something took place. And you would just jump back and be with this person because what I'm seeing now, you guys are listening to your gut. You're listening to your intuition. And right now you're focusing on yourself because this person, you're like, okay, you still love this person. You still care about this person, but you care about yourself and you love yourself even more to keep putting yourself in this situation. And that's why you're not moving forward. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer here, but yeah, I feel like you guys put your foot down. You're like, I'm not doing it. Ooh, somebody could be dealing with a Taurus, but I feel like this other person wants a commitment with you. They want marriage with you. Y'all, they praying again. They over here manifesting. Somebody's trying to stay positive. They're like, you know what? You cut me off. You don't want to be with me. That's fine. But I'm praying for you at night, okay? Your name is on my new moon list. So I'm telling y'all, they don't want you guys to walk away from them. Tell me more. Look at that. This person wants to start over with you. But I feel like you guys are just ready to start over. You're ready to just go on another path. Just move, in another direction. But, I told y'all where y'all going. This person's like, where y'all going? Oh, that's too many cards, Capricorn. Hold on. I saw what it is. But if it comes out, I'll take it again. But that was way too many cards for me. Alright, but yeah, anyway, I feel like you guys are just ready to move on. You're ready to start over. Because when you look at this individual, you just don't have the strength to deal with them anymore. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. But I just feel like at this point, you guys are just coming out of being frustrated about the situation. Which is why, you're just moving on. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, but I'm telling y'all are like, I just don't have hope that this situation is going to play out in my favor due to the fact that there's an imbalance here. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, but y'all are just tired of playing with this person. You're over it. You're like, this person's not going to keep playing with me. Told y'all before, y'all boss. Y'all working on y'all finances. Capricorn's all about money. So, y'all about to just, focus on that. F this love stuff. Even though y'all want it, but you're like, I'm not going to get played by you anymore. And I feel like at this point, you guys could have blocked this person. Somebody blocked out communication. I mean, at this point, you guys are definitely not speaking. And I feel like this person is worried. Because they do want to come towards you, but maybe they can't get through to you. Somebody change numbers. Okay, so anyway, moving on. I do feel like at this point, you guys are just, over talking to them. You're over dealing with it because this person repeatedly kept stabbing you in the back when you really did try to make things work. And this is why you're feeling like you're not going to have a victory with them. Okay. Yeah, but this person, I'm telling y'all, somebody is ready to come out of this conflict. They don't want to argue with you anymore. They don't want to be in a space with you anymore. They're ready to put in the work, and they're coming in fast to tell you this. Lord. Okay. Yeah. All right. So, like I said, there is communication coming in from this person. They're coming in fast. So if you haven't heard from them, you're about to. But I do feel like they want things to improve with you, but at the same time, there's no balance here because of the fact that they put you in some type of third-party situation. Now, even with that being said, I do feel like somebody's definitely worried about their finances as well. So, Capricorn, I don't know if that's you. Maybe this, for some of you guys, I am picking up this person could have taken from you financially, or maybe you were the one always helping them out. And so, at this point now, you're like, I got to build back up my account. I need to build back up, what I had before, because you not only did you do me wrong, but I was, I had a big heart and I helped you with something, and maybe this person is not paying you back. So that's only for some of y'all I'm picking up on. For others of you guys, you're just like, I'm trying not to say this person's broke, but I feel like you're like, you know what, I really tried to be there for you, you're not matching where I am. So at this point, you cheated on me, you keep doing this, I keep taking you back, there's no balance here, you need to go. I do feel like this person does love you, you do love and care about this person, but at the end of the day, somebody is interfering here. Maybe somebody got caught up with, something dealing with finances with that third party. And at this point, you guys are like, I don't care, I'm just letting it go, but you're worried. Somebody's up at night worried about it. Because like I said, Capricorn, honestly, I feel like you still care about this person. Or this could be the other person, but more so for you, you dropped it. You're letting it go. Okay. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign here, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But I'm telling y'all, I feel like this other person is sad because they can't just come back into your life how they normally would, kind of like weasel their way in there. Y'all putting y'all foot down. But I do feel like this person now wants to come back trying to give you this equal partnership, this give and take relationship. This is what you've been telling them this whole time that you wanted, and now here they come. But look, y'all, it's two people here. So y'all know I don't take the cards as being gender specific, so take, however fits your situation. But there's two men here, could be two women. Somebody's stuck in the middle needing to make a decision. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but that was the issue. Somebody could not make up their mind about, who they wanted. And you guys are over it. Lord, that's the Queen of Wands. Okay, so somebody's dealing with a fire sign. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. I do feel like somebody's not being positive here, but you guys, somebody's definitely interfering. For some of you guys, it could be a mother figure, mother-in-law. But somebody is interfering big time, and maybe this other individual is seeing that. And so now they're like, okay, those seeds that I planted, I want them to grow with you. I want to be with you. So here they come getting ready to offer you some type of gift, something that you've been hoping and wishing for. But whoever this third party individual is, whether or not it's another man, another woman, somebody's mama, but, family member, whoever, I feel like this person has been taken from them financially. So money is definitely involved here because somebody feels like they took some type of financial hit. And that's why they're sad. That's why they're having a hard time coming towards you. because they have to, you know, clean up this mess over here. Yep. They're feeling like they're not going to have a new opportunity with you due to the fact of what they put you through. And, you know, somebody's stuck at a crossroads needing to make a decision. Capricorn, it's like whoever was the one that got, you know, done wrong here, it's like you're trying to figure out, should I stay, should I go? At the end of the day, both of you guys really love each other, but it's like, you know what? Like I said, I love me more, and I'm not dealing with this. Look at that. There's the Empress. Somebody wants a new beginning here. Looks like the truth is coming out. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra, but the truth is definitely coming out. Maybe somebody had to get out of some type of legal situation here. Clarify Justice in reverse. Y'all, okay. I feel like this person wants happiness with you. Y'all, okay, I have to be honest. Y'all know I'm an honest person anyway. But for some of you guys, I feel like there's some type of pregnancy here. And somebody's getting ready to come towards you to be honest about it. That's for some. That's not everybody. Please, y'all don't be trying to kill nobody. Just chill out. So, but for some of y'all, there's somebody's pregnant. And I think maybe you've been feeling this way, or, you know, kind of like your gut's been saying something's not right. Maybe this person got someone pregnant. But yeah, somebody's pregnant here. Maybe they want to come and tell you this. For others of you, I do feel like this person just wants to come back to tell you that, you know, they want a new beginning with you. They see happiness in you, but they feel like they can't get to that happy ending with you due to the fact of everything that they put you through. You know, they know that you're emotional right now. They messed up bad, and you're not speaking to them. You're no longer opening up. Somebody's definitely dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, but it looks like someone has made a decision. They don't have a peace of mind about it, though, but somebody made a decision. Is it that y'all made a decision to walk away? Yeah, somebody's having some type of hard time here. It's like you made a decision, but you don't like it. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but it's not. It's just like you guys are just feeling like there's no balance in the situation due to the fact that this other person had other options. They put other things before you. You don't like, you know, the things that you were seeing from this person, their behaviors. You just don't care for it anymore. Could be dealing with an Aries, but you're just feeling like there's no stability with this person, so you walked away. Some of you guys are definitely dealing with another Capricorn, but I just feel like at the end of the day, you're walking away because you wanted a commitment with this person. You wanted a relationship. You saw yourself being with this person. You really don't want to cut it off, but you feel like this person gave you no choice. Look at that Judgment with the Seven of Swords reversed. You're needing to make a decision here, but at the end of the day, you're like, I would love to be with this person. This is my person, but I can't be with this person until they clean it up. They have to clean up everything. I just can't. And that's why you guys are just, you know, moving slow at this point. Clarify the Six of Cups. There's a Tower moment here. Lord, okay. Tell me about this Tower. Y'all, somebody's pregnant. I mean, it's screaming at me. Somebody's definitely pregnant here. I do feel like it's split. For some of you guys, somebody's pregnant here. I don't know if this other the person that you were dealing with got someone else pregnant, or it could be this person's gonna come back, try to, you know, make things work out with you. Y'all gonna get it on, okay? And boom, you're gonna get pregnant. But honestly, I'm feeling like for some of you guys, yeah, somebody is pregnant here.